Welcome to Auto Nova, your ultimate destination for futuristic and luxury vehicles. Today, we're revealing an amazing 2025 Honda small van, a compact yet luxurious camper van finished in shiny pure white with elegant gold accents. This van combines cutting-edge design, advanced technology, and practical features, making it perfect for modern van life enthusiasts and city adventurers alike. In this video, we'll take you through every angle: front, left, right, engine, interior, back, top, and a cinematic outro so you can experience all the details in stunning clarity. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all future vehicle reveals. Front view. Starting with the front view, the van immediately stands out with its shiny pure white high-gloss paint highlighted by subtle gold accents along the body lines. The aerodynamic design gives the van a futuristic yet refined presence. The LED headlights are sharp and aggressive, wrapping around the corners and adding a premium and modern look. They provide excellent illumination for nighttime driving and give the van a distinctive personality on the road. The glossy black front grille with a sleek Honda emblem sits at the center, perfectly complementing the white and gold color scheme. The front bumper is sculpted with dynamic lines, enhancing both aerodynamics and style. Every aspect of the front view signals Honda's attention to detail, making this small van look luxurious, agile, and futuristic. Left side view. Moving to the left side, the van showcases clean, flowing lines from front to rear. The panoramic tinted windows offer privacy while letting natural light fill the cabin. The black alloy wheels with red brake calipers add a sporty touch that contrasts beautifully with the white gold exterior. The side mirrors feature integrated turn signals and a sleek, aerodynamic shape. The left profile highlights compact yet functional proportions, making the van perfect for city driving or weekend adventures. Subtle design accents along the doors and lower panels create a luxurious, futuristic vibe. Right side view. On the right side, the design continuity is evident. Sculpted body panels, gold trim accents, and smooth door lines enhance the aesthetic and aerodynamic efficiency. Sliding doors on this side provide easy access to the interior, making it practical for passengers or camper functions. The reflections from the showroom lights create a high-contrast, visually stunning look, emphasizing the van's premium craftsmanship. Every line and detail on the right side reinforces the futuristic and compact luxury appeal of this 2025 Honda van. Engine view. Now let's take a look under the hood at the engine bay. This 2025 Honda small van comes with a hybrid powertrain, blending efficiency and performance. The engine compartment is meticulously organized, featuring metallic textures with subtle gold accents, polished components, and precision wiring. Compact yet powerful, it demonstrates Honda's advanced engineering in a small footprint. This engine is designed to handle city commutes, long trips, and weekend adventures without compromising on power, reliability, or efficiency. Even a compact van can offer performance that feels luxurious. Interior view. Step inside, and the van's luxury minimalist interior becomes immediately apparent. The soft white leather seats with gold trim accents exude elegance. The dashboard is fully digital, with a large touchscreen controlling navigation, media, climate, and camper functions. Ambient LED strip lighting enhances the mood, while wood accents add warmth and sophistication. The hidden kitchenette allows for quick meals during road trips. Storage compartments are cleverly integrated for maximum space efficiency. The panoramic glass roof fills the cabin with natural light, making the interior feel spacious and airy despite the compact van size. The combination of technology, luxury materials, and smart design makes the interior a standout feature of this 2025 model. Driver's seat view. From the driver's seat, you get a 360-degree perspective of the cabin. The steering wheel features integrated controls, giving you easy access to driving functions. The digital instrument cluster provides clear, customizable information, while the central touchscreen is angled for maximum usability. Comfortable ergonomics, intuitive layout, and ambient lighting make driving this small van a luxurious experience, even on long journeys. Rear/back view. Looking at the rear, the van maintains its sleek and elegant styling. The LED taillights are sharp and modern, while the aerodynamic roof spoiler adds a sporty touch. The rear doors open wide, offering easy access to the storage area or camper amenities. Reflections on the polished showroom floor emphasize the luxury finish. From this angle, the van combines practicality with premium design, proving that compact size doesn't mean compromising on style or comfort. Top view. From above, you can see the panoramic glass roof and the streamlined roofline, which includes optional solar panels for energy efficiency. The top-down perspective highlights a compact yet futuristic design, showing how Honda maximizes space and style in a small van footprint. Cinematic wide/outro view. Finally, let's step back for a wide cinematic outro shot. The entire van is framed beautifully in the showroom, sunlight streaming through large windows. From front to back, left to right, interior to engine, this 2025 Honda small van delivers innovation, style, and luxury in a compact, futuristic package. It's perfect for city living, weekend escapes, and modern van life enthusiasts who want a high-end travel experience in a small van. That wraps up our full 360-degree walkthrough of the futuristic Honda small van, 2025 model, here on AutoNova. If you enjoyed this in-depth review covering front, left, right, engine, interior, back, top, and outro views, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more futuristic vehicle reveals. Tell us in the comments which feature or angle impressed you the most, the engine, interior, or gold-accented exterior. Thanks for watching AutoNova, and we'll see you in the next futuristic vehicle showcase.